Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to show you how to make money with dropshipping, step by step. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just easy steps for beginners. First things first, what is dropshipping? It's a type of e-commerce business where you sell products online, but here's the best part. You don't need to keep any inventory or handle shipping. Sounds amazing, right? When someone buys a product from your store, you forward the order to your supplier and they ship it directly to your customer. You never touch the product. You only pay for the product once you've made a sale. This means super low risk and no need for a warehouse. And the best part is you can start this business from anywhere, even from your couch. So now that you know what dropshipping is, let's jump into the fun part, how to actually set up your store. Okay, step 1, find your niche. This is so important because you want to pick a market that's not too broad but also not too narrow. The sweet spot is finding products that people are actively searching for, but not every seller is offering. Ask yourself, what are people buying right now? Tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and niche-specific blogs can help you see what's hot. Some popular dropshipping niches are fitness gear, pet products, home decor, and fashion accessories. Find something you're excited about or interested in. That way it won't feel like work. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel here. If others are selling in your niche, it's a good sign that there's demand. Just make sure your niche has room for you to offer something unique. Now that you have a niche, it's time to pick your products. This is where the magic happens. You're looking for products that are affordable for you to buy, but also give you enough profit margin. Here are 3 quick tips for finding winning products. Make sure the product solves a problem. It doesn't have to be a massive issue, but something that makes life easier. Low competition but high demand. You want to avoid products that everyone else is selling. Look for unique items. Affordable shipping. Since you're not in control of shipping, check that your suppliers have reasonable shipping costs and times. Tools like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket are great places to find dropshipping products. Once you find some potential products, check the reviews and order samples to make sure they're quality. Part 4. Setting up your store. Step 4. Let's build your store. And the good news is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. Platforms like Shopify make it super easy to get started. Here's how to set up your store in just a few steps. Sign up for Shopify. They offer a free trial so you can get a feel for the platform before committing. Choose a theme. Shopify has tons of free and paid themes. Pick one that matches your brand. Add your products. Import your products from AliExpress or Oberlo with just a few clicks. Make sure to write clear product descriptions and use high-quality images. Set up payment methods. Connect PayPal or Stripe to accept payments. Configure shipping settings. Make sure your shipping rates are clear and correct. Boom! Your store is ready to go live. Don't overthink it. You can always tweak things later. Part 5. Marketing your store. Now that your store is up, how do you get people to buy? Time for marketing. This is where you turn visitors into customers. The goal is to drive traffic to your store, and here are a few effective ways to do it. 1. Social media ads. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are great for running ads. You can start with a small budget and target specific audiences. 2. Influencer marketing. Find influencers in your niche and collaborate with them. They can promote your products to their audience. 3. SEO, search engine optimization. Write blog posts and optimize your product descriptions to show up in Google searches. 4. Email marketing. Collect emails on your website and send newsletters or discount offers. Remember, you don't need to be an expert marketer from day one. Start small, test different strategies, and see what works best for your business. Part 6. Customer service and scaling up. Great customer service is the backbone of any business, and dropshipping is no different. You want happy customers who come back and recommend your store to others. Make sure you communicate clearly about shipping times, handle returns smoothly, and respond quickly to any questions. As you start making sales, reinvest your profits into better marketing, more products, or upgrading your store's design. The more you learn, the more you can scale your business and increase your revenue. And that's it! You're officially ready to start your dropshipping business and make money online. Remember, starting is the hardest part, but you don't need to be perfect. Just take action, learn as you go, and have fun with it. Dropshipping is an amazing opportunity, especially for beginners, so why not give it a shot? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your dropshipping journey. See you in the next video.